Saving more than $500 on a foldable phone does not happen very often, especially when we are talking about Samsung's top-tier model. Right now, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 with upgraded storage is available at a massive discount, and for anyone who has been thinking about switching to a foldable, this deal is worth serious attention. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is one of Samsung's most advanced smartphones, but it is also one of the most expensive. The 512GB version usually costs a staggering $119.99, which puts it out of reach for many people. With this current offer, the price drops to just $599.99, which means you save a huge $520. That is not a small discount by any measure, especially for a device in this premium category. This deal is currently available on Amazon, and it applies specifically to the 512GB storage variant. However, there is an important detail to keep in mind. The full $520 discount is only available on the jet black color option. If you choose, the price goes up to $1,719.99. Even then, those versions are still discounted, but the jet black model clearly offers the best value right now. What makes this deal even more impressive is that the discounted price of the 512GB model matches the current price of the 256GB version on Amazon. In simple terms, you are getting double the storage for the same money. For users who store a lot of photos, videos, apps, or work files, this alone makes the offer very tempting. Of course, even at $105,999, this is still an expensive phone. Spending that much money on a smartphone is a serious decision, so the real question is whether the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is worth it. The short answer is yes, especially if you want a foldable device that feels polished and powerful. Right now, its only real competition comes from the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Performance is one of the Galaxy Z Fold 7's strong points. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with 12GB of RAM. This combination ensures fast performance across the board, whether you are multitasking, gaming, editing photos, or running demanding apps. The phone feels smooth and responsive, and it easily keeps up with the best flagship phones available today. The main highlight, though, is the internal display. When unfolded, you get a stunning 8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X screen with a resolution of 2184 by 1968 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth. Watching movies, browsing photos, or working on documents feels more immersive on this large screen. For quick tasks, there is also a 6.5-inch external display that works like a regular smartphone screen, so you do not always have to unfold the device. In terms of design, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 feels premium from the moment you hold it. It features a sleek aluminum frame and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. While its IP48 rating is not the best, it is fairly standard for foldable phones. At the moment, the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the only mainstream foldable with a full IP68 rating. No phone is perfect, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 does have a few downsides. The 400 mAh battery is on the smaller side for a device with such a large display, and charging speeds are not very fast at 24W wired and 50W wireless. The camera system is also not as strong as the one found in the Galaxy S25 series, but it is still good enough for everyday photography and video. Overall, this $520 discount makes the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 far more appealing than usual. If you have been waiting for the right moment to buy a foldable phone, this could be it. Deals like this do not last long, so if the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been on your wish list, now may be the best time to make the move.